Hi everyone! Now I'm going to tell you about comparative adjectives in English. This is Jack and this is Mike. Jack is short and Mike is tall. Jack is shorter than Mike. Mike is taller than Jack. And we often need to compare different things and people. And to do this, we use comparative adjectives. For example, smaller, bigger, taller, shorter. If the adjective has only one syllable, we make its comparative form by adding the suffix er, short, shorter. And if the adjective has a short vowel and consonant at the end, we have to dump the consonant. Big, bigger. And more examples: small, smaller, tall, taller, old, older, hot, hotter. Jack is quite sociable. Mike is very sociable. So Mike is more sociable than Jack. If it's a two or more syllable adjectives, we need to add the word more before the adjective. Sociable, more sociable. More sociable, more interesting, more boring. And the opposite of the word more is less. Less sociable, less interesting, less boring. For example, Jack is shorter than Mike. Mike is more sociable than Jack. So we use the word than when we compare things and people. And there are some special cases related to the use of comparative adjectives. If it's two or more syllable adjectives ending in y, you can make it comparative form by changing y into I and adding the suffix er. Easy, easier. Easy, easier. Lazy, lazier. Happy, happier. Funny, funnier. But there is another way. You can also make the comparative form of adjectives ending in y with the help of more. More easy. So there are two ways: more easy, more lazy, more happy, and more funny. And for instance, Jack is a good speaker. Mike is not a very good speaker. And Jack is a better speaker than Mike. So some adjectives have irregular forms. For example, good, better, bad, worse, far, further, or farther. For example, Paris is further from here than Berlin. Today the weather is better. My car is worse than Jack's. And now you should do these exercises. And then you play with your friends quiz questions. The game is called Who Knows You Better? And you should ask these questions to your two best friends and write down their answers. And in the end, determine who of them knows you better.